Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Andrew in Hawaii on this RCI X9. Andrew's ready to go. All our mods, the tune alignment, Toshiba voltage regulator, electrolytic capacitor upgrades, all my audio mods, high cut noise filter, 10 kilohertz switch, man, you name it, it's got it. Let's start with RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. And we get you set about 4 watts all the way down in case you decide to run like a 6 or 8 pill. You got full adjustability. 30 watts all the way up. I'm gonna show you average power swing. Low. That's 78 bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Low. At 165 PEP. Alright, Andrew, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. You got wise and got truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.